In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from ManageEngine, to detect cleared event logs. Event logs are a detailed record of events that occur within a Windows operating system. It provides a wealth of information about the system's activities, applications, and security events, including when the event occurred and the user involved, making it an invaluable resource for system administrators and security analysts. Windows Event Log can comprise of system logs, application logs, security logs, setup logs, and forwarded events log. System logs contain events logged by Windows system components, such as the failure of a driver during startup. Application logs contain events logged by applications or programs, such as problems in starting the calculator application. Security logs contain events related to system security, such as failed logins and file deletions. The setup log contains events related to system updates, and forwarded events log contain events forwarded from other computers. Windows event logs are classified into 5 event types: error, warning, information, success audit, and failure audit. Error indicates a significant problem, such as a system or application failure. Warning signifies a potential issue that could lead to future problems, such as a disk space running low. Information provides details about the normal operation of applications or services, such as a service starting successfully. Success audit records successful security-related events, such as successful user authentication. Failure audit records unsuccessful security-related events, such as failed login attempts. Event log can be cleared in multiple ways, but usually it involves a manual deletion from the event viewer interface or the use of command prompt or PowerShell commands to delete the logs. Understanding the importance of event logs will provide a clear picture as to why it's crucial to monitor them and their deletions. Event logs helps in diagnosing and troubleshooting system health. For instance, if a service fails to start, the system log can provide details about the cause. Tracking security events also helps in complying with requirements such as HIPAA, GDPR, and SOX, which mandate the monitoring and logging of access to sensitive data. Event logs play a crucial role in security monitoring and can help analysts detect intrusions by providing details of failed login events, unauthorized access attempts, and suspicious activities indicative of potential attacks. Moreover, regularly tracking logs enables quicker detection and response to incidents, thus minimizing damage. And in case of a security incident, event log serves as a crucial source of evidence, helping analysts reconstruct the sequence of events which led to the breach and understand the extent of its impact. That's why attackers clear event logs, so they can remove traces of their activities and hide their tracks to avoid detection. Now let's see how attackers execute this attack. To gain the initial entry into the victim's network, attackers either exploit vulnerabilities in the system or use social engineering tactics to manipulate users into providing credentials or downloading malicious software. To establish and maintain access, they install a remote access tool and carry out privilege escalation to gain admin privileges. Attackers then move laterally and scan the network to identify other valuable systems or harvest credentials using techniques such as keylogging or pass-the-hash attacks. They then cover their tracks by clearing event logs and disabling future logging. Attackers finally ensure persistent access by installing additional backdoors, creating hidden user accounts, or modifying legitimate software to include malicious code. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined correlation rules for identifying cleared event logs. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find such out-of-the-box rules for various security use cases under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select Manage Rule and click on Search to find the correlation rule for event logs clear. To understand how this rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting event logs cleared alerts you whenever the event logs of a Windows machine are cleared, irrespective of which method an attacker uses to delete them. While this role will help you detect cleared event logs to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule. You can find the reports on event logs cleared either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down menu under Potential Windows Sets. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred, the associated device, user, and the domain name. Clicking on Event Timeline usually lets you track the entire sequence of events responsible for the generated alert. However, this rule gets triggered even if the event logs are cleared only once. Click on Details to learn more about the events such as the risk level, severity, event ID, and type. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as disabling a computer or logging off and disabling the user. This can help you stop an attack on its track. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Enforce strict access controls on event log management. Review user privileges to identify who has access to clear event logs and revoke access accordingly. It's also important to implement audit and security policies to strengthen log retention and monitoring capabilities. Encrypt event files locally and in transit to avoid manipulations. And lastly, ensure that you automatically forward events to a log server or back them up in a secondary location for secure storage. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.